So nandito po tayo ngayon sa Malaysia to experience MotoGP through the eyes of Gulf Oil. Recently namigay po tayo ng all-expense paid trip to Malaysia to experience MotoGP, of course, in Sepang, to a lucky Gulf Oil customer. So we had this promo sa makina, in-announce po natin, tapos yung winner, pinili po natin dun sa recently concluded Makina Moto Bazaar and Test Ride Consortium dyan sa Bridgetown Destination in Pasig. So nakasama po natin siya, nakilala po natin siya, and that's Mark.
Congrats
Pumunta siya sa Moto Bazaar, bumili siya ng langis, he got lucky, and he's here in Malaysia with us.
Our winner, Mark, congratulations.
Thank you so much.
As I understand, first time ang makalabas ng Pilipinas. At ito pa, super fan ka ng MotoGP. I mean,
Yes, sir.
So how was it so far?
Sobrang excited, sobrang blessed dahil sa pagkapanalo na to dun sa raffle draw.
Ilang binili mo ulit?
Tatlo lang, 3 bottles lang yung nabili ko.
Talagang minanifest mo lang talaga.
Yes.
Maraming salamat and congrats. Enjoy Malaysia.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Yes.
Yung first and second day, medyo chill pa tayo nun. And syempre yung excitement, nagbe-build up na eh.
Mawawala tayo sa dilim. So saan ka pa? Kalimutan mo siya. Andito na tayo, sumitin ang isa't isa. So saan ka pa? Kalimutan mo siya. Andito na tayo, sumitin ang isa't isa. So saan ka pa? Kalimutan mo siya. Andito na tayo, sumitin ang isa't isa.
Mark, kamusta?
Yeah, solid experience. Napaka-solid talaga dito. Grabe. Sobrang nakakatawa.
Ano, ikot?
Tara, let's go.
Tara.
We got into Sepang first, meron kasing practice run dun sa day 2 natin. Andun na yung mga tao, andun na yung mga merchants, andun na yung mga booths. So yung energy ng race weekend nandyan na. So nag-build up sa excitement. Of course, during this time, we got to meet and hang out with yung ating contingent, yung ating delegates from the Philippines. We're talking about yung ating mga kasama from Gulf Oil Philippines and yung mga dealers din natin ng Gulf Oil throughout the country. Nandito po sila lahat. And of course nga yung winner natin. So we were just walking around, chilling. Weather was really wet and then hot, and then sunny, and then wet, and then sunny, and it was just that cycle. So medyo, at least we had a couple of days to acclimatize ourselves with Malaysian weather. Medyo tricky to get into Sepang this weekend because nasabay po siya sa ASEAN Summit. So yung mga ASEAN leaders natin, our very own President Marcos, nandito na siya sa Malaysia. Dumating din si President Donald Trump. So security is an all-time high. Yung kulay ng Twin Towers, iba din. It's not your usual white. Yung colors ng Malaysian flag ang ginamit nila. So all of these things were happening at the same time sa MotoGP weekend. So you can imagine, traffic talaga. So we had to leave earlier. We had to plan our route kasi yung blockages ng papuntang Sepang medyo hindi siya fixed. Diba? May oras na itong time na to block. May oras na ito naman yung parte ng city ay block yung mga kalye doon. So parang ganun.
Something